Way to go. Was it coming North Harbor Power Gear Royal Fair? It's has it coming Royal Fair Power Gear alongside by the release North Harbor. Federer Racing Fee by some 4 lengths Aras Object of Desire Seal. My lips running at the tail of the field. As it coming by some 2 lengths Royal Fair in second. North Harbor Racing third by some a length and a half alongside his Power Gear. Rounding the far turn as it coming by some 2 lengths Royal Fair in second. And hitting the last 500 meters more to run has it coming by a length and a half Royal Fair. Federer racing third alongside as they race the final corner has it coming Royal Fair rushing up now to grab the lead and Federer on the further outside. Royal Fair is now the leader. Has it coming. Federer is racing third. North Harbor Power Gear Aras. And nearing the finish line, Royal Fair. And finally, Royal Fair with Archibald Unido. Federer, as it coming. Power Gear, Object of Desire. North Harbor, Aras, Seal. My lips